hate this. Popular girl.
Everyone loves me.
Pretty girl.
I'm gorgeous.
Rich girl.
This is all mine.
And me, nerd. Not even a smile. This will not look good in a smile. No, I need braces. Stupid genetic. Huh? But I need money for braces. Not if I can make my own. Huh. I just need my earring brooch. 4 actually. Now my super elastic rubber band. Choke on it like this, the 4 of them. And now just have to carefully glue it on my teeth. Yes, now I can smile and be awesome like them. Yeah!
Huh? What?
Still 4.
I look awesome.
What else is in here? Ew, a doll. What are you doing in here? It's so nasty. Excuse me? I should clean you up. Welcome to the doll salon. How's the water? It's just right. This is going to be good. You need to clean your hair. Hey, carefully, lady. Now for some shampoo and a little glitter. Now I'll rub it in. I bet that feels good. Your hair is so beautiful now. Well, yeah. Let's straighten it. Doll Joker won't be able to resist you. You look so nice. A little bit of makeup. Love your eyelashes. Are those real? Girl, I'm a doll. Let's get you in your new outfit. Wow, you look fabulous. I know.
Ooh, hey, sweetie.
Hi, Pudding.
You're mine, baby.
It's so romantic. I hope someday I have my Joker too. It's time to raid a box. Wow. I know what to do with this. I'll put the trousers right here and I'll cut off this part. Careful, I don't want to ruin them. Wow, it's gonna be a nice top. Who said trousers need to go on your legs only? Huh? How do you like it? What do you think, kitty? What's wrong? No! Oh! That's hurt! Robin, go to your room. Wait. Wow, my cat is a fashion designer. It's so nice. Something is missing. Here we go again. This time I'll put my hands in. I need to sew up the sleeves. Oh, now it's done. It looks amazing. What else do I need to do? I don't think those go with my new look. Still not done. Brother's jeans. But not like this. Summertime. Oh, should have better. I need to get artistic. My top needs a logo. I think that's it. Wow, so cool. I can't wait to see Joker's face. A little color on my denim will really look good. That looks great. Now my outfit is done. What else in this mystery box we have? Oh yeah, exactly what I need for my Hollywood smile. I'll put some toothpaste on the gum shield. Minty fresh. Now it can go in my mouth. Here goes. Where is the on button? It feels funny, but vibrates so much. That's it. I hope it worked. My dentist would be so proud. Hang on. I think I have something in my teeth. What is that? Oh, what did I have for lunch? My legs feel so bare. What to do? I know, I'll check the box. Nope. Nope. No, I don't need that. Nothing fits me. Oh, I know what to do. I can use this to draw on my leg. I'll start by making some dots. Then I'll connect them with a line. It's just like a game. I'm glad I shaved my legs. Just a few more lines. They look so nice. Now I can finally relax. Oops. Let's do this. Work it, girl. Hey, Joker.
Huh? Huh?
What are you wearing?
That's so desperate.
What? He's not impressed? Oh, wait. Why do you look like me? Oh, why are you copying me? You're copying me? Out of my way.
Hey, House! Was playing basketball and it hit me. Miss you. Wanna get back together? Let me get a kiss. Psycho!
What are you doing?
I don't like you anymore. I'm with Wonder Woman. Go dream on. Girls, come look. Your plan worked.
You've all been playing me! Then you'll all pay for this! Every great revenge story begins with a makeover. So here's mine. Lame Joker, say bye-bye to your favorite panties. I'm gonna cut it like this. Done! Good thing it wasn't dirty. Hey! What are you looking at, creep? Wow! Red is definitely my color. Well, what's up, losers?
I can't believe my eyes!
Yeah, go ahead and admire me. You don't even have a clue what's coming for you.
Oh, I feel so thirsty. Can I have some?
Huh? These utility knives are so handy. Especially for making pranks. Of course, sweetie.
Thank you. What on earth? What did you do?
I didn't see that coming. I got her. Oh, I miss your greasy hair.
Oh, shut up.
I miss your wicked smile.
I'm talking to you. Oh, I can't bear this.
Hey! When life throws you gummies, make a cool t-shirt out of it, am I right? I'll spray the paint evenly all around it after all the candy's placed. I'll wait for it to dry. And ready! I like it so much. Did a great job. Hope Joker will like it.
Nice shirt. I need it.
What do you mean? I made it myself.
No, it's mine now. Give it to me!
Oh, don't!
Sorry, not sorry.
Oh no! What have you done? Actually, I like it even more now. Thank you. This is what I call real nail art. I bet they're gonna come so handy. Hey, who's this cutie pie?
Oh, come on.
Want some Alpenson? I've got what it takes. I'm a superhero after all.
Wow. Marry me.
Oh, I'm flattered. I'm yours if you put a ring on it.
That's not the right size. Much better. I take you to be my wife.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Huh? Get out of my way!
Wow.
I'm not born to be a wife. I'm born for revenge, baby! Now let's open Wonder Woman's locker and find out all her dirty secrets! Yikes! I didn't think I would find literal dirt. Girl, you better clean that up. Let's put the bucket here. Thank me later!
Where did I put my lasso of truth?
Oh no! Harley! What? Gotcha! Another day existent besides the most perfect human ever, Mr. J. Oh, my love. Huh?
Hey, ginger pie.
Oh, that clown makes me weak in the knees. What? Where am I? Wow! Am I going nuts again? Wow, one could dream. Such a good idea! Okay, Harley, let's go. So let's see what we have here. These guys can work. Yes! Oh! Harley, you're a certified genius, girl. Oh, these are heavy. Let's use a string to secure the package. My mom always told me just wait a while, they will grow. I'm tired of waiting. Ooh, that'll be quite the workout. Do I even fit through here? Okay, showtime, girl. I'm a little unstable, not only mentally. Oh, careful!
Wow, watch out, girl! Whoa!
Oh no, teacher, I'm sorry. So sorry. Oh no, they're gone again. Anyways, let's enjoy a soda. Oh, just look at his little face.
Hey, gorgeous, how you doing?
Oops, oh no. Oh, but they're okay. Oh no! I can't believe that my glasses! No! How do I impress my crush now? Wow! What's that? What surprises do you hold, little purse? Oh! Let's heat things up, boys and girls. Don't do that at home. I'm a professional superhero or something close. Now let's twist it. Oh! Glad I keep that thing always tucked in there. A little glue on that side. Yep, like that. And now we connect it with this guy. Boom! The perfect glasses. High five me. Hey, Joker!
Wow!
Hi!
Huh?
No! Where's my bag?
Joker, I'll come help you.
Oh, wow! This lady has some baggage, not of the emotional type. Wow, she probably has some beauty secret. Oh! What do we have here? Push-up panties! Exactly the helping hand I need. Or should I say helping? Never mind. Let's check how it works. Ah, yeah, just like that.
When did Harley learn these moves?
Yeah, alright.
Who can answer? Harley! Come to the board.
Huh? Yes, twerking time is over. I have to do math now. Guys, did you also hear that? Monday's on showcase. A little embarrassing even for me.
I wear the same ones.
It's so high! I can't reach it! Let me just quickly write down the answer there.
Do you see that?
What are they laughing at? Oh no, they all saw my lucky underwear! I need that!
Oops. Huh? He hates math too! Well, it's true. I quit!
I can't waste no more time. I need a longer skirt ASAP. Hey! Good thing I watched 5 Minutes Crafts in the evening, cause I know how to fix this. All you have to do is wrap the scarf like this around your waist. Now it looks like a real skirt, and it's so chic.
How did you do that?
There we go. How do you like me now?
Woo, girl! Yes!
Oh my god, it's from my crush! I have to be ready. Whoa! My legs look like mammoth legs. Gotta take care of them. It has to be done. Wax strips are so scary. Oh no, I feel this is gonna hurt a lot. But they say beauty is pain. Okay, I'm doing this. What is that? What do I have there? Ugh, magnifying glass makes everything worse. There's hair everywhere. I need more wax. Uh-oh. No, what do I do? Oh, there must be something there. Wow. Let's see what Mom has got. Ooh, what does this do? Looks like some alien device or something. I have to test it first. But how? Aha! Come here, my boy. Kitty, 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 kitty. It's my turn then. Looks like my unibrow and tiny mustache don't stand a chance. Wow! Mission accomplished. My face is so smooth now. Thank you, Mom. Okay. A little makeup won't hurt though. They don't say put on some red lipstick and live a little for no reason. Now better go a little bit over the lip line to make my lips look bigger. I think I should add more lipstick. This is too much! Get it together, Jazz. Maybe lipstick is not a good idea for now. I have a better one. Instead of red lips, I'm gonna go for plump lips. So, where is it? Ah, here! Wow! But how am I going to use this? Okay, I think I figured it out. Well, that didn't work. Hey, don't give up easily. Yay! It worked! What am I going to do now? Guess I'm gonna wait. I need to drink water. It's time! Wow! Are these my lips?
Oh no, what has she done?
Now, I want a beautiful hairstyle. I don't mean the hairstyle of the girl from the Ring movie, though. I should comb my hair first. I need help. Give me that. No, these won't work with my long hair. What if my socks? Let's check out that life hack too. How am I going to make this work? Yes, I know what to do. You need to tie the sock and wrap your hair with it. I just hope my hair doesn't smell like feet at the end. And I'll have beautiful mermaid hair. But in the meantime, let me put on a sheet mask. What do we have here that'll give me soft skin like a baby? Oh, I almost forgot my nails. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Hope my crush likes it too. He's calling. Oh no! I can't answer the phone with his fingers. Please work.
Hey, Jazz.
Hi.
Oh, what happened
I'm so
to you?
excited. I'm getting ready. Do you like it?
Sorry, I gotta go.
Hold on. You should have waited a little bit. It's time to get rid of this. And these socks. Okay, they don't smell. That's good. Hey, I have beautiful lustrous waves now. I knew this would work. Just look at me now. Oh, totally forgot about the nails. But hey, fake nails are the invention of the century.